course, these jumbo centers have existed for a while. These have been critical in Mumbai's COVID, mitigation plan, so to speak. And at these jumbo centers, what they've done is they also have vaccination centers. And at these vaccination centers, there are 9 of them all the way from, the Richardson and Crudas Jumbo COVID Center here in Baikala to the giant, the Jumbo COVID Center at BKC. And then onwards, you have several other jumbo centers at the NSCI Dome in Worli. All of these centers will exclusively be catering also to vaccinating kids. So separate areas have been set up for vaccinating the age group of 15 to 18 for whom the vaccination starts today. And this is important in several contexts. For example, remember, schools have reopened and children are susceptible to COVID and they're at risk. So obviously this vaccination helps them get that protection that we need from COVID, especially when they're headed to school. There are big groups in school. Of course, schools are functioning with COVID protocols, but nevertheless, they are exposed to the infection when they step out, and that's something that perhaps the authorities want to address by ensuring that a large number of 15 to 18 age group children get vaccinated at the earliest possible time. And this is why these centers are preparing to vaccinate as many children as they can from today, and it'll be happening throughout the day. But most vaccinations are set to begin around 11 or 12 because today is the first day, and then of course as the day progresses they will have more and more children coming in, and then of course throughout the week and the next 2 weeks we will see a massive vaccination exercise primarily targeted at the 15 to 18 age group here in Mumbai. And across Maharashtra, they have we're being given to understand about 100 such sessions to vaccinate children between the 15 to 18 age group.
I see. Also, sort of this coming at a very important time, right, where Maharashtra is seeing a massive jump in cases, 29% jump that we've been talking about. Mumbai reporting over 8,000 cases in the past 24 hours. That's about 27% higher than just the day before. So, of course, this couldn't be more timely. Just trying to understand the sentiments as of this moment. What time do these jumbo centers open? When do we expect kids to actually come in?
Well, usually these centers open at 10 o'clock. So that's the time it starts. So post that, we expect children to come in. But today being the first day, they'll also have to sort out logistics and a little bit of, preparation time. So the first day, of course, it usually begins a little on the slower side, and that's exactly what we are expecting today as well. 11 o'clock, there's going to be an inauguration at the BKC Jumbo COVID Center. That is, of course, online. Because, obviously, given COVID, they don't want people to gather. And that will be inaugurated by Maharashtra's, Cabinet Minister for Environment and Tourism and Protocol, Aditya Thackeray, who is also the Guardian Minister for the Mumbai's suburbs. So he will, of course, be inaugurating that along with Mayor Kishori Pednekar. But again, that's online. And post that, you will see, of course, the whole process take off in Mumbai. And Mumbai's cases are a worry. Remember, if you see, we started with 1,377 cases on Tuesday. Yesterday we reported 8,000 cases, so that's the kind of jump in daily cases that we have seen. And of course, there are people who are coming in, younger people who are coming in, and we will of course see people start getting vaccinated from the time that's been set, which is of course 10 o'clock for all these jumbo centers that are there, 9 to be precise across the country.
All right, so kids just arriving at those, in fact, shouldn't be calling them kids actually, teenagers really, arriving at those jumbo centers, 9 of them being set up there in Mumbai alone. And this coming at a time when a major jump has been seen as well. So we'll let you go catch them and get a word from them before they actually go in. Thanks so much. We'll connect in a moment from now.